I brought it all up, got it all out. What is it worth to both of us now? It's off my chest, never off my mind. 2 drinks in, you get hurt, you feel bad, and I feel worse. I swear it's the last time, every time. Don't know why, might have been a song on the radio, might have been nothing, baby, I don't know. Might have been a little too tired to fight, might have been got a little drunk last night. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Drunk Last Night by Eli Young Band. Excuse me, this was a song that was requested, so if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to get to them. Also, this song is in standard tuning and does not have a capo on the fret, so it's really easy to play. You only use one strumming pattern throughout the song, and you're going to use 4 chords. All right, they do change a little bit, like the order, but it's a very easy song to play. So before I get into it, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. The more people that hit like, the more that YouTube serves the video up to people. So I just really appreciate it if you guys do that. It always makes my day. All right. Okay, let's get into this thing. So what you're going to do, here are the chords that you're going to use. All right, you're going to use G, and if you were paying attention when I was playing the intro, I actually played both G's. So I played it this way and I played it this way. It doesn't matter really. There's one note that's different. Other than that, it's totally fine though. So either way is good. So the reason I played a couple different ways is because you also play C, okay, and you play D. And so it's really easy to go from D to G, okay. It's also very easy to go from C to this G. See, because you're just like that. So that's C. You just put your pinky on and move those up. And then you're at G, okay? So it's up to you guys. Do whichever is easier for you, but there's just times where you're going to be switching from those. So that's why I do it, okay? So the way that you're going to play this song is you're going to start with G, and you're going to palm mute it, all right, for the first verse. You can do this throughout the chorus, or you can kind of mix it up. You can, whatever. I'm going to show you how to play the second verse as well, but differently. But you're going to palm mute it, so you put this part of your hand as close as you can to that white part right there, okay? Like right in front of it. And then you're going to, so when you start the song with G, all right? So you're going to be doing up and down, okay? So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right? So slower, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, now you're trying to hit more of the bass notes, but on this one it's totally okay because when you're listening to it, they're actually hitting these ones down here. So it's gonna be, and that's totally fine, okay? So, or you can play this G. All right, either one. But so that's how you're going to start. You're going to start by palm muting it. You're going to just be doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now, the way that so you're supposed to palm mute the first part, the first verse and the intro. The intro is just G. All right. You do that a few times. And you're going to go. I got a little drunk last night. Then you do E minor. Okay. So you go to E minor next. Then you do. There's something about a midnight rain. And then C. Alright, C. Staring at the ceiling fan. Fan is D. Fan. Couldn't get you off my brain. Alright, now when you're doing, notice when I did D, I was actually more doing the notes down here because D is open up here. So it's just, it sounds better if you do it kind of like the D string down, okay? Alright, then you're going to start over and do, so after brain you do G. I guess I wasn't thinking right. Then you go to E minor, okay? So that's how you do that. The second verse is it's the same. The only difference is, and I'll show you after I do the chorus, but the difference is how you strum it, all right? So I'll show you that in a sec. So when you get to the chorus, you're going to start with C, all right? You're going to do, I brought it all up is C, okay? Up, and then here you're just doing the same strumming pattern, but you're doing it open. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, you're gonna do, I brought it all up is C, up, got it all out, what is it worth? Worth is E minor, worth the both of those now, it's off is G, off my chest, never off my mind. Okay, mind is D. Mind. 2 drinks in the C, and you get hurt, you feel bad. Bad is E minor, okay? Bad, and I feel worse. I swear, swear is G. I swear it's the last time every time. Okay, time is D. Time, don't know why. Okay, and remember, you're playing the chorus pretty loud here, so when you get to this next part, you're gonna actually play it slightly softer, all right, and maybe do a little bit more focus on the bass notes, okay, these up here. So you're gonna do, don't know why, and you're gonna do G, okay? Might have been a song on the radio, might have been nothing, baby, I don't know. Okay, the next might you do E minor. Might have been a little too tired to fight, might have been. Okay, so then that last might, or might have, you're gonna do D. Might have been got a little drunk last night. So on drunk, you're just gonna do, okay, like that, mute, all right, last night. Okay, and then you're gonna go into G again, right after night. Now the way that I think the second verse is how it actually sounds, so they're palm muting for the first verse and the second verse. You're just gonna be doing more of the G, B, and E strings, the lower 3 or maybe the 4 strings if you want to do the D string, okay, too. But you're going to be okay. Now you could do that same thing for the first verse, but I don't think that's how they actually play it. It sounds, and I think it sounds better if you mix it up. So for the second verse, you're going to be doing just these, but you could palm mute it too if you wanted to. All right. So that's most of the song. Then the other thing you will need to know is after the second chorus, when you do might have got a little drunk last night, instead of doing G, you're gonna do C actually. Okay, got a little drunk, you're gonna do drunk on C. All right, C you're gonna do. And then for the instrumental part, you're gonna do C, E minor, G, D. Okay, then for the bridge, you're going to be doing C. You're going to be, might have been a song on the radio. So might have is C. Might have been a song on the radio. Might have. Okay, so you're going to do might is going to be, might have is going to be E minor. Might have been nothing, baby, I don't know. Might. Okay, that third might have is D. Might have been a girl who looked like you. Okay. And this, it's fine if you do just the bottom strings or if you do all of it, okay? But I would just play this part softer, for sure. Okay, so after you do might have been a girl who looked like you, then you keep D on might have been a fluke, might have seen a full moon, might. Okay, that next might have is C. Might have been a little too tired to fight, might have been. Okay, so you're gonna do might have been I got a little drunk. And then you're gonna do, so you're gonna stay on D, okay, drunk. I brought it all up. So then you just go back into that chorus, okay? Might have been I got a little drunk. Brought it all up, got it all out. What is it worth? Both of us now. It's off my chest, but never off my mind. Okay, just like that. All right. Now for the end of the song, you're just gonna do. If you want to play it just like they did, if you don't, you could just do end it on like a G chord or something, just do a single strum. If you want to play it like they do, you're gonna do. G on. I got a little drunk last night. You can do E minor. Got a little drunk last night. Okay, then C. Thought I could keep it all inside. Okay, D is on inside. But I got a little drunk last night. You go to G. Something like that, okay? So you could end it with just with a, or just a. Anyway, that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.